ding chicka ding chicka ding chicka ding chicka ding. Imagine awesome paneer tikka masala with vegetable biryani, and of course there will be a bonus some recipe. But first let's make this vegetable biryani. For this we're going to cook the rice. So add little oil. In this, we're going to add the whole garam masala, little bit of shahi jeera, cut onion, very little, only half of it, salt, and fry the onions till they are slightly colored. In this, we're going to add mint leaf. See, mint leaf, even when it is nicely fried in the oil, it will give a very good aroma. In this, we're going to add the rice that has been soaked, basmati rice. For 1 cup of rice, 2 cups of hot water. Mix it only one time, check the salt. Put the lid on and let it cook on a slow flame. For this, we're going to make the butter vegetable masala. So here, I'm going to add some of the butter. Even before the butter gets hot, add a little bit of the onions, add ginger garlic paste, add salt, and when this is getting sauteed, look at it, we're going to add the masalas. In this, add chili powder, little bit of garam masala powder, cumin powder, coriander powder. So it should not be burning, but it should be sauteing. In this, we're going to add the vegetables. First, the vegetables which will take more time to cook. Here I've got raw banana, potatoes. You can add any kind of vegetables you want. And also, I'm going to add carrot, beans. Now, these buttered vegetables getting cooked, and before much of the moisture is absorbed, some curd. So that will make this very, very tasty. Now the magic is happening. On one side, the rice is getting cooked. Here, the butter vegetables are happening, and let them cook till these vegetables are at least half cooked. In the meantime, the rice also will be done. In this, add green peas. I also have capsicum, have some green chili. Here in the rice, I'm going to add a little bit of saffron water, and I'm going to lighten the rice. Look at this, just like this. Lighten it. This is called kind of aerating. So once you do this, take these vegetables and transfer it on top. Look at that. All the vegetables, the curd, everything. Don't mix or anything. Just leave it like this. Let it cook for another 2-3 minutes and switch off the flame. The vegetables will be cooked thoroughly. Everything will be super perfect. Paneer tikka is again my favorite. So for this, first we're going to do the tawa tikka fry. For this, you need to add Kashmiri chili powder a little bit to give that nice color also, and some extra chili powder. In this, add coriander powder, some cumin powder, chaat masala, some pepper powder, and some garam masala, and mix all of this. Squeeze in some lime juice, add ginger garlic paste, and in this, add yogurt, so that this becomes like a thin paste. Add some oil, of course, some salt, and mix all of this. All you have to do is take some of the paste and mix it with the paneer pieces. And we're going to do the tawa fry of this, and we're going to make a paneer tikka masala gravy, which will make this super tasty. So for this bonus recipe, the same masala, all we're going to do is add some finely chopped curry leaf, little bit of corn flour, very little of corn flour, just to give a nice coating. And in this, we're going to add the chicken pieces, kind of chicken 65 like thing. We're going to fry and we're going to serve. So now, for paneer tikka masala, we're going to add some oil in the pan, whole garam masala with little bit of shahi jeera. In this, add finely chopped onion. Cook it till this is nice and golden. In this, add salt and fry the onion. The onions are nice and brown. In this, add little bit water. This will kind of dissolve the brown onion. In this, add ginger garlic paste, a little bit of cashew nut powder, and add to this. Now, this cashew nut powder, which is raw, cook it in the oil. Add chili powder, coriander powder, cumin powder, little bit of garam masala, and add tomato puree. This is homemade tomato puree, and mix it. So the cashew nut, it will start thickening and it will become a gravy. So in this, add water and let it come to a boil and keep cooking. Cook this gravy on a slow flame. In the meanwhile, I am going to cook paneer in a pan. Add little oil and butter. In this, add the paneer pieces whichever we have coated, and just drop the pieces and spread them. Don't let them stick to each other. Don't mix them. Just let it cook on a slow flame. Now, when you see the paneer is getting fried on one side, add onion and capsicum. So slowly move this paneer pieces. Let the capsicum and other things slide in. Now our paneer tikka is getting perfectly done. Turn around the pieces of paneer which are cooked on one side. Aha, look at them. Look here, the gravy for the paneer tikka masala is ready, and slide off the entire masala along with this paneer. Nice butter fried masala is here. So this is going to be awesome paneer tikka masala. In this, we are going to add kasuri methi, and also, whenever you are adding cream, always add some of the gravy into the cream, mix it. So this kind of tempers, and add the cream to this. We are going to have beautiful, nice, thick paneer tikka masala. And in fact, I love this thing with naan or even rumali roti, pulka. Add salt just to taste, and also add some chopped coriander and finish it off. Paneer tikka masala is ready. Aha, beautiful, fantastic, out of the world. So add the chicken pieces in hot oil and fry till they are nice and done. The biryani we have done excellent. So first thing is, be careful with the rice, pull it out and slowly break the rice like this. Full flavor vegetables are on the top. Along with that, serve. Look at it. Look at the rice, so beautiful. Along with this vegetables, we have done two-step process, but the end result is fantastic with lot of vegetables and so on. Wow. Here is the paneer tikka masala. You just have to look at the gravy and the paneer pieces exactly the way you get it at restaurants with the vegetables. I told you I love to eat with naan and roti. So what I did, I quickly made thin soft rotis for this. And here, add some curry leaf and this Cocorco special. Just transfer it into a plate to get rid of the extra oil, and then we're going to arrange it. Everything perfect. Look at the beautiful chicken 65. Sweetie, howdy sweetie. Nice vegetable biryani, the paneer tikka masala, the pulka, the chicken 65, the masala, it's a variety chicken 65. First, I know you like to eat soft pulkas. Paneer tikka or chicken 65? Paneer tikka masala. These recipes are so simple, yet very, very tasty. The same masala I used for paneer tikka, I used the same pieces with chicken. Out of the world. Dear friends, make best of the best food. Eat with your family. The full flavor vegetable biryani, wow, for the queen. Happy cooking and enjoy great life. Ding chicka ding chicka ding chicka ding.